Okay, this video is to go through the analytics section of the CMO dashboard. So if you click on the caret, the only things that are in here is monthly, quarterly, annual data that you're tracking. So click on monthly. This is based on your marketing channels, all marketing channels. So there's social media analytics. If you were to click in here, click open, you would select the month, you would select the platform, you could do the quarter, and then the year, and then you would put your number. Accounts reached on Facebook in the month of January. Same thing with click-through rate, if click-through rate was relevant, comments, engagement rate, followers, subscribers. Just fill in the data that's relevant to that platform. So I had to put everything. So click-through rate is obviously relevant for like an ad. It's also relevant for like email, but it wouldn't be relevant for Instagram. So again, because it's all of your platforms. So it's not just relevant to just a social media platform. So you, like I said, you would just pick what platform it is and then add your data. Also, here are templates for you to add and select your best performing content on that particular channel. So best performing content of the month, you can add to, if you click on it, it just opens up the table that already exists. And then you would just be adding in your best performing content. How you would find that is by going to that particular platform and looking at your data for the month. And all of these platforms tell you your best performing data information. If they don't, guess what? You're going to go back and scroll through all your content, and whatever had the most saved shares, comments, that's your best performing content for that month. You want to go ahead and document that. Why you want to document this is because one day that's going to be relevant when you want to repurpose and you don't want to post any new content in December. You can go back to your best performing content for Facebook and all of your content for the whole month of December while you're living your life and enjoying the holidays. It's going to be your best performing content from the year. Easy peasy. So just add that. You could do the same with the month, the year, but because we're on the monthly, you're selecting your best performing content for the month. If you were on quarterly or annual, then you would do that. That's it. So you do that for every one of your platforms, and you would do it for each month. Same thing with podcast analytics. It's the same thing. So you have subscribers, you have people reached. You just would select and add the, what's relevant. And the reason I have them separated is because social analytics is going to be different than you have your blog, then you have your email. So you'll be able to track all your different platforms, but then you can see all of them. And then you would be able to see Facebook, Instagram, whatever, all for the month of January. So I have different views for you to make it easier. Okay. And that's all. And then there's also a quick place to put your best performing content if you want. Quarterly, it's the same thing. It's just by quarter now. And as you put stuff, it's going to roll it up in here. That's why you're selecting the month, the year, and the quarter. It's easy. Everything gets rolled up. Same thing for the year. It just gets rolled up, and now you can see all of it in one place. Analytics was easy.